In this video, I'll show you how to create a fake sunrise effect in CapCut. Let's use this video as an example. To start, add it to the timeline. Then go to the Effects tab. Type sun in the search bar. Browse the available sun effects. Tap an effect to preview it. Select one you like and drag and drop it on your timeline. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match your video's duration. Customize the effect using the toolbar. Adjust atmosphere to control sunray brightness. Use the speed slider to change the effect's motion. Preview your video. When satisfied, tap Export to save your work. That's it. For more editing tricks, subscribe. Happy editing!